Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on the topic eating disorders at adolescence. Adolescence is associated with rapid physical growth and body image development. Eating disorders are of special concern at this time. These changes intensify associated self-esteem problems. Anorexia nervosa, for example, is a disorder so tied to body image distortion that it is the most commonly seen in adolescence, the period when a person is struggling with self-identity and most vulnerable to the body image problems. Progress in adopting a normal adult body image will be interrupted for the teenager with an eating disorder. To understand anorexia nervosa, let us take the example of Sonam. She aspires to have a perfect body. She has been ignoring the advice of her parents and teachers and almost stopped eating. She has become obsessed with having a very thin body. Although her current weight is normal, she feels pressured to be ideally thin like some actresses in movies or models in magazines. She has a low self-esteem and remains depressed, and this has resulted in her withdrawing from her family and friends. She is unaware that she is undernourished and insists that she is fat. She is a clear case of eating disorder called anorexia nervosa. She is unaware that drastic loss of weight can even lead to that. Bulimia is another type of eating disorder. Bulimia often begins in late adolescence or early adulthood after a series of various unsuccessful weight reduction diets. Those with bulimia indulge in binging, overeating, and induced purging by vomiting or using laxatives. Although more common in females, about 5 to 10% of all eating disorders occurs in males too. Anorexia and bulimia can have serious consequences such as convulsions, renal failure, irregular heartbeats, and dental erosion. In adolescent girls, anorexia can delay the onset of menstruation, permanently minimize stature, and result in osteoporosis, weakening of bones. Perhaps a person's best defense against the disorders is to learn to appreciate one's uniqueness. Respecting and valuing oneself will certainly be life-saving. Important dietary interventions include ensuring balanced diets, enhancing dietary fiber intake, and using nutrient food supplements to make up losses. To sum up, physical, social, and emotional changes experienced during adolescence can profoundly impact the adolescent's nutritional status and eating patterns. Although young people are rarely motivated to learn about nutrition for the sake of longevity, learning how to apply sound dietary principles to reach our health goals and can help build the foundation to a healthier life now and in the future. Health is a key resource of young people. It influences the availability and use of other resources that are important in everyday life. What are the other resources that an individual has? The following chapter on management of resources addresses this question and also discusses how best one can utilize and manage key resources such as time, energy, and money.